Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. It was a hot summer day, and Alice was seated lazily on the river bank with her sister. Her sister was reading a book that didn't interest Alice at all because it neither had any conversation or neither pictures. What is the use of a book without any pictures or any conversation? She thought. Alice was feeling bored and sleepy. She thought of picking up some daisies to make a flower chain. Just then, she noticed a white rabbit with pink eyes scurrying away in a great hurry. There was nothing very remarkable in that, nor did Alice think it very unusual to hear the rabbit say to himself, "Oh dear, I shall be late." The little furry animal then took a watch out of his waistcoat pocket, looked at it, and started running faster. Burning with curiosity, Alice ran after the little rabbit to see where he was going with such urgency.